Okay, so one thing that I like to try to convey when I'm reaching out to veterans is that you got to be careful who you're working with. Not all banks are created the same. You've got banks, you've got lenders, you've got brokers, and at Bank of England we're an FDIC insured bank. So basically what that means is that the FDIC is auditing us and making sure that we're doing things the right way, and we're not doing some of the unscrupulous tactics that some of the smaller lenders do, like they'll send you a mailer that says their rate's 2% or 2.5%, and then by the time you talk to them, they've already said, well, that's only for somebody at 20% loan to value with an 800 credit score, and that's just not you, but you qualify for this instead. They'll take you all the way to closing sometimes and bait and switch you at the end there. So they're not regulated like we are. They can get away with that kind of stuff until they start getting a ton of complaints. And some of the even bigger companies, I can't really name names, but there are some big non-bank lenders out there that have gotten in trouble for churning veterans. So basically what they would do is if the going rate was a 4%, they'd give you a 4.5, and then they would do a streamline loan 6 months later, and then another streamline, another streamline, another streamline. So they were giving you rates higher than what were available just so they could churn you and get 3 or 4 more loans out of you, because they get paid every time they do a loan. So you guys got to be careful and make sure that the people that you're working with have your best interests at heart. And my business is basically reaching out to veterans and putting my reputation on the line and getting referrals. So I always put my best foot forward. I'm always going to give you the best offer off the bat. I'm always going to hit you between the eyes with all the details and not try to bait and switch or hide anything from you. So basically I would just say, give me a chance to work with me, and you won't be sorry.